I didn't with love no go free na dia bam.
Yo prof I charge ye prof I charge pa. Prof yembra the next about the Ghana Premier League. So far Kotoko is that third ahead of the Karela game in that third. We have the other first was 22 points, second was 21 points. Asante Kotoko 20 points. 2 points gap. How to say season who is saying?
One of the
because one thing is you lose away.
One of the keenly contested season my witnessing for some decade for Ghana Premier League this season. Very contested. Now so lucky no the league leaders Karela and Kotoko Mobone. They have the home record of not losing a game.
Not just not losing no. Now.
So far this season Kotoko only the club away on lose game. Into the net is either they killed us or we killed them. And league where league be no in say no because of Kotoko. Yes. Obekaya Legon City they won the first league game this season. Our Crassport Stadium. The boy will probably anticipate about league. But Drew Kotoko so the following day Kotoko call say or call could use view.
Any 11 minutes.
And a call fan when see about the league at the buy.
That's it.
Indeed, Kotoko na quiet you look at balance more money. Oh, what did you two more so mudru? Na ji baby ah. And the league we we share even the other last on the table crowd competition or the mount. League is very competitive and then can make say nka Kotoko a chita fu nyina en kan kan o mo ba be adwuma ni bi pen kono past management members board members or be support the current board and now say the current management amane ma koyi ama club no midway room na ye kan near man crofo ki kan fa club no ye fie Kotoko fie kra no ye won crofo mo wo fie wa ensem mo kan ensem framfata na no on Insura FM ya offer ya mo ponko ensem no ko kan obasa calling the management of Kotoko say they are aliens. Offer ya me bisa say aliens no tia say
na ebe we see some contest.
What contest? You are talking about your own club, your own people. Is an person from Togo or Benin? Now, even if it is from Togo or Benin, what makes him an alien? Go to England, Manchester. I hear from a club in Americans. Go to Chelsea,
Russian.
Go to Man City,
Arab for. Even Arsenal for American.
Man, yeah, Nancy, and the flight in the helicopter, a crash England.
The way Leicester
City, or British. So, yeah, to say, former management member of these clubs, question the integrity of those handling the club. Into of your Aden, you are bitter because Coach Master Knedu was fired. Master Knedu, no one in Kotoko hates him. He's a club legend. But all Kasa, and so Kasa in a way, a favorite club. No, Kasa in a way, a confusion. Into of a management member, as a board member of Kotoko, no, me bisa pass a dear pan, I would to me die as a legacy of Kotoko. I didn't know Kotoko training grounds, so I just said, players ran the bush no Junso. At least, the name upon somebody less than a year, no. Me meeting is appointed.
They said also less than a year. They say what?
Said may cast less than a year because on call. Okay. Obe try the maker. Bet me means appointed be say where and now upon some legacy. No what for upon come be say legacy oja Kotoko na dey won. Yen free old ways of doing things in the club. Na Kotoko da ebosun na Kotoko there. Say wo kwa
Oduro, does it also mean say obi wochina ohun ni bia can't he express his opinion?
Very good. You can express your opinion, but you don't call people handling the club aliens. It's the word to be a suma oma. Now it's a one gasano crano. You don't regard them. You don't expect them to be in charge of the club. And you are even questioning Otumfo wisdom. Because Nana appoint a board no or that freedom some appoint on management.
No, but we can't make that conclusion.
Man, because I'm in trouble. Una wa family. Say me nye ejuma ma. And I'm a cameraman. So me come when I'm believe say cameraman come ho and ejuma na ye ko shoot ni bit me shoot. Na de o kan won ho wachi aba bonten be ka say cameraman no alien. Enti wo no ono onte ase say ono alien aba ejuma num. A obeboa meanwhile so wo no open results. Enya wo na wo question wo decision na make here. Wo na ofa be na me makofa cameraman. This question.
But cameraman in there, it goes to you. Does it?
So me fa cameraman na wo afa me no. Say wo ni cameraman no ho e dey na be ka kire me. Wo ka kire say cameraman na makofa no we alien inti me ni film. But won kan hwen kire me. Into big questions cameraman na wo question wo decision na wo take here the farm because one family and coming kofa cameraman no. That is why I'm saying say of am up on go management so me alien na or question otumfo.
It's a big case.
Because omo fa na am ponsa no. Omo amfa no answer to krum. Omo de call manhia. Omo otumfo approve ye.
Sampa.
So that's it. Ndi say o kasa onhwe yi. Enye bi say wa be serve kotoko da nti. Ya respecting sa. Ba wa be serve kotoko da na so bi so nya kwanya na o serve bia. Ka hu say akwanya wunya na no so wanya bi. Emre we ni nka so. Oba obe call obi beba. Then goes to the circle management as well. The club supporters union no. Some penifo bi did that kona no a omo kasa
time
areho emphasize on be leaders of the club supporters one secretary
obin secretary
last week ya on Oyerepa FM saying say our committee okumasi na free meeting at no wo twam okejeti a supporters ne bo nyokra the way board ne management ne run club no na me bisa secretary say ekwan ben so na circle leadership no omo faso a channel omo grievances to the club board or the management. As a leader or part of leadership no. When who be bia amfa na sema anko say na supporters ne me aka. No kasa supporters ne kind assurance be no demand supporters no. And the radio so no ba can say no. Other than am important management omo close door the lives of decrease the menya omo nya kwan access o mana. And they also such a better radio so. No be horo kotoko to magufin public
and serious of company position now one there and all things so be sir.
So then now e beto just say let e bi na abontin say yenua be ma need ako ya suspending no I'm expecting senka the same thing be goes to the secretary ka salete ni bi be kwa ma secretary because one kasa yi
need ako na GFO and a man say 1 year suspension
no let e be abontin about 2 weeks ago from NCC.
Okay.
So I'm suspended need ako. Minim de need ako aye de and I'm not here to talk on his behalf. Minim but me who letter no. I'm on opera post you on so ne Facebook wall. But I'm saying say yetimi punish need ako for be doing wrong thing there. And you na such equally on so hia sa letter ni bi. Because as a leader when who kwan who say me fa kwan we su ana omo ni kwan we da ho omo fa so e de e kan omo ansem nsem supporters aka kire omo omo ni avenue bi omo fa so e de be management and answer board ni dia ene na minim omo leadership na omo kita as Kotoko supporters leadership minim ejuma omo di ho because the frustration nature say we ni ba bi abeka na sem apart from so be ko reduce